Hello dear friends, welcome back to your on YouTube channel Civil Engineer. Today we will discuss materials quantity estimation for reinforced cement concrete. In this video lecture we will calculate quantities of cement, sand, coarse aggregate and steel per given volume of reinforced cement concrete. Today we will solve this example in which it is asked that calculate the quantity of material for the given reinforced cement concrete RRCC work having ratio 1:2:4 and its volume is 400 meter cube. Also calculate quantity of cement in kilograms. Here you can see that total quantity or volume of concrete work is given, which is 400 meter cube. The specification of concrete is, the ratio of concrete is 1:2:4. Here this one represent cement, 2 represent sand or fine aggregate and 4 represent crushed stone or coarse aggregate. As wet volume of concrete is already given, if the volume is not given in the problem, you have to calculate the volume of the structure by multiplying its length, width and height. As in this problem, the volume is already given. Now we will calculate dry volume of concrete. Dry volume of concrete can be calculated by multiplying wet volume by a factor. Here the factor used is 1.54. So dry volume will become 400 meter cube, which is wet volume, multiplied by factor 1.54. After simple calculation, we will get total dry volume of concrete is 616 cubic meter. Now we have calculated dry volume of concrete. Ratio of concrete is given, which is 1:2:4. We will determine sum of ratio, which is 1 plus 2 plus 4 and the result is 7. Now each constituent of concrete like cement, sand and coarse aggregate can be determined by using this equation. Volume of a specific material is equal to ratio of that material multiplied by total volume, which is in this case 616 meter cube, divided by sum of ratio. Here sum of ratio is 7. Now we will calculate the quantity of cement. Dry volume of concrete is already given, 616 meter cube. Sum of ratio is 7. Volume of cement will be equal to ratio of cement multiplied by total volume divided by sum of ratio. Here ratio of cement is 1 because the concrete used is 1:2:4. Total volume is 616 meter cube and sum of ratio is 7. After doing simple calculation, we will get volume of cement is 88 cubic meter. Now we will calculate the mass of cement required for this concrete work. As we know that density of cement is 1440 kilogram per meter cube. So weight of cement required for this concrete work will be equal to volume of cement multiplied by unit weight or density of cement. Here the volume of cement required is 88 cubic meter and density or unit weight of cement is 1440 kilogram per meter cube. After doing simple calculation, we will get weight of cement is 1,26,720 kilograms. As cement is generally available in bags, if you want to calculate number of bags, we know that volume of one cement bag is equal to 0.035 cubic meter. I have already uploaded a video about how volume of one cement bag is equal to 0.035 cubic meter or 1.25 cubic feet. You can watch that video by clicking this iCard or link given in the description box. So the volume of one cement bag is 0.035 cubic meter. So number of bags will be equal to total volume divided by volume of one cement bag. Total volume is 88 cubic meter and volume of one cement bag is 0.035 cubic meter. After simple calculation, we will get number of cement bag is 2514 bags. Now we will calculate volume of fine aggregates or sand. Dry volume of concrete is 616 meter cube and sum of ratio is 7. Volume of sand will be equal to ratio of sand multiplied by total volume divided by sum of ratio. Ratio of sand is 2, total volume is 616 and sum of ratio is 7. After doing simple calculation, we will get volume of sand is 176 cubic meter. Now if you want to calculate number of trucks or tippers, you need to know about the volume of single truck. The volume of single large truck is 10 cubic meter. Volume of single truck changes country to country. Here I will use volume of single truck or tipper is 10 cubic meter. So number of trucks or tippers will be equal to total volume divided by volume of single tipper or truck. Here total volume is 176 cubic meter and volume of one single truck is 10 cubic meters. After doing simple calculation, we will get number of trucks is 17.6, which is nearly equal to 18. Now we will calculate volume of coarse aggregates by using the same method. The volume of coarse aggregate will be equal to ratio of coarse aggregate multiplied by total volume of concrete divided by sum of ratio. Here the ratio of coarse aggregate is 4, total volume of concrete is 616 cubic meter and sum of ratio is 7. After doing simple calculation we will get volume of coarse aggregate is 352 cubic meter. Volume of single truck or tipper already discussed is 10 cubic meter. So the number of trucks or tipper will be equal to volume of coarse aggregate divided by volume of single truck. So we will get number of trucks or tippers of coarse aggregate required for this concrete work is 35.2, which is nearly equal to 35 trucks. As we know that NRCC or reinforcement concrete steel is also used, so we will calculate the quantity of steel. Suppose steel quantity for this concrete work is 2.5% of total volume of concrete. So volume of steel will be equal to 2.5 divided by 100 multiplied by total volume, which is 616 meter cube. After simple calculation we will get total volume of steel is 15.4 meter cube. We know that density of steel in MKS system is 7850 kilogram per meter cube. So to find the weight of steel required, just multiply the volume of steel by density of steel. We will get weight of steel is 15.4 cubic meter multiplied by 7850 kilogram per meter cube. Weight of steel will be equal to 1,20,890 kilograms. If you want to convert this value into tons, we know that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. So weight of steel in tons will be equal to 120.9 tons, which is nearly equal to 121 tons. So we have calculated the quantities of all materials required for this concrete work. The abstract of quantities are: cement required for this concrete work is 1,26,720 kilograms, or its volume is 88 meter cube, or number of bags required for this concrete work is 2,514 bags. Quantity of sand or pine aggregate required for this concrete work is 176 cubic meter, or 18 trucks, and volume of single truck is 10 cubic meter. Quantity of crushed stone or coarse aggregate required for this concrete work is 352 meter cube and number of truck is 35. Steel quantity required for this work is 1,20,890 kilograms, or 121 tons. It was enough for the day. Thank you very much for watching the video full. For more updated videos about civil engineering, please subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button along with bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. And please do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much.